Hi, I'm Regina, owner and chemist here at RD Alchemy Natural Products, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a homemade skin tightening gel for under the eyes. So what you're first going to need is a pot or leftover, either way, of strong coffee, just about a half a tablespoon or a teaspoonful, and then also some green or black tea. If you don't have the loose leaf, you can also always just use a tea bag, and then also some witch hazel extract and aloe vera gel. So real simple formula. So what you're going to start off with is you're going to take a 1/4 cup of your aloe vera gel, put it into your bowl. The gel is going to be moisturizing for the eye area, but it's also going to act as our base and give us kind of a gel consistency. Then you're going to put in 1 teaspoon of your witch hazel extract. Now, witch hazel extract is a really great astringent herbal extract. It's known to help to tighten tissues and shrink them down. And then you also are going to add 1 teaspoon of black or green tea. Now, if you have black tea is better only because it's going to be stronger in its tannin content than also its caffeine content. And these tannins and caffeine is what's going to also help to constrict the area and then reduce your puffiness in your eye area and help tighten that area even further. Next, you're going to just do 1 teaspoon also of your strong coffee. And this also has the caffeine in there, but then also has those tannins, those real tightening type of compounds found naturally in those products. And then you're just going to mix it up. And what you're going to have is a thin type of gel. Now you can either leave it into this container and put it with some clear plastic wrap or aluminum foil, keep it in the refrigerator for about 1 to 2 weeks, or if you want, you can always transfer it into a little jar container and keep that in the refrigerator. So when you're done making your mixture, you can use a Q-tip to apply it gently under the eyes. And remember, you can keep it cool in the fridge. And with this one, it's going to help reduce a lot of the puffiness and tighten and firm the area. And that's how you make a homemade skin tightening gel for under the eyes.